Almost creators waste hundreds monthly on tools they don't need. Today, I'm revealing the best free A tools that rival paid versions, and which premium tools are actually worth your money. Here's the truth. Many free A tools outperform paid competitors. Chatbeat free tier, Canvas free plan, and Gemini handle 80 per task perfectly. You only upgrade when hitting specific limits. Smart creators use free tools first, then invest in premium features. This approach saves thousands yearly while maintaining professional quality. First, Chatbeat free unlimited writing, coding, brainstorming. Second, Gemini free excellent image generation and research. Third, Canva free excellent image generation and research. Third, Canva free design templates rival premium software. Fourth, OP's clip free auto clips long form video kid videos. Fifth, each handles professional level tasks without spending a dime. Start here before upgrading anywhere. Upgrade when free limits hurt productivity. ChatGPT Plus $$ adds GPT-4 for complex tasks. Adobe Firefly $9.99 month beats free tools for commercial use. Midjourney 30 VOS generates superior images. Paid tools excel when you need advanced features, priority support, or commercial licensing. Evaluate genuine needs, not FOMO. Combine free and paid tools strategically. Use free ChatGPT Street. ChatGPT Shaw's actually dish only time. Quality at a KB calls. ChatGPT shows monthly. With all-upgrade method cuts costs some 80% squal. 70 Brie upgrade for brand kit access only. This hybrid method cuts costs 70% while maintaining quality. Track which paid subscriptions actually method. Drop a comment. Which free iTool surprised you most? Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly iTool reviews that actually save you money.